Chef Paul here from the Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove showroom in Glendale Heights. Today I thought I'd share this new bread recipe or dinner roll recipe I'm trying out. So here my bread is already proofed. I'm using my dedicated proof mode in my M series wall oven. Here you can see my bread is beautifully proofed. I'm using a cast iron pan to kind of help with the aesthetics. Now we're gonna go over, gonna get some egg wash on these. I'm gonna season them up. We're gonna toss them into our preheated oven. So really quickly here, I have my bread rolls. Here I have a little very simple egg wash of some whole milk and a little bit of eggs. Just is gonna help with the browning, give that some nice little sheen, make it look delicious for us. So very lightly. Remember, the more egg wash, the more color you're gonna get. But really quickly, don't get too fussy over it. But nice and simple. Egg wash all over my bread. Here I have some Malden sea salt for a little bit of texture, some beautiful flavor. And once we got there, now today I thought we'd use our speed oven. So our speed oven it can either be a microwave or a convection oven. Today I'm using it on convection mode. The recipe calls for 325 degrees on convection. Very important. Once I open the door, I'm going to have to hit start again. It's asking me for a timer, so I'm gonna hit it for about 25 minutes. There's my timer. Here are our gorgeous bread rolls. Take a look at that. That's all convection, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just top it off. Here, very quickly on my induction cooktop, I made a very simple brown butter and garlic butter. Gonna take just a little bit on top, give it a little bit extra flavor. Okay, we're gonna let that really soak in. So now be very careful. The center is gonna be warm, let it cool. And just to really top it all off, fresh grated Parmesan. Right over. Super simple, very easy. 325 in our convection speed oven, convection mode. Perfect results.